Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my November Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm pretty excited about some of the stuff that I got this week, this month. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So you guys know it looks like this. There's nothing in here. Everything is in the bag. So this is what the bag looks like. It's dark purple, but on screen it looks blue. I think because of the lighting, but it is really pretty. It has little hearts. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out and then show you guys what it is. Okay. I like the inside. It's pink. Super, super cute. Okay. So of course, it comes with a little paper, like every month. So the first thing is a blush by Tarte. This is their Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and I got the shade Quirky, which I already got one by Ipsy. I don't remember what shade it is, but it is in here. Oh, the last one I got was Feisty, so thank God I got a different color. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then I'm going to go ahead and open it. This is what so it's obviously a mini size. It's not a full size one. So it's like a peachy, mauve blush. Really, really pretty. I like it, but I'm really into shimmery blushes, like some kind of shimmer or some kind of flecks of gold in it. But I will try this out and I'll let you guys know if I like it. I do like the other one I got, Feisty. That's a little bit more nude, but it looks really, really pretty. Okay, the next thing is a brow product, and it is an eyebrow pencil by Scone Cosmetics. It's their brow wand, and I got the shade Chocolate, which is a little bit too dark for me, but it's fine. I'm still going to use it. And then this is the pencil part. And then it comes with a little spoolie at the end, which I really like when eyebrow pencils come with spoolies because it's really helpful. And I believe this is a full-size product. I don't think it's a mini size, so I'm pretty excited to use this. The next thing is a lip gloss. Yeah. Lip gloss by Pixi. And this is in the shade Honey Sheen. And it is a really, really pretty shade. You guys can see it through the bottle. And actually, I haven't used it, but I did open it, and it smells kind of minty. Like peppermint, and I like when they smell like this, but every time they smell like this, I always get like a tingly sensation, so maybe it's gonna tingle. But if I like it, I am going to use it. I didn't swatch or anything just because I do want to try it on for the first time on my lips, but I already have one on, so I'm not going to do it on camera. But I'll let you guys know if I like this. The next thing is by Sand and Sky, and this is their Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. It detoxifies and brightens your skin. I like the packaging. It's pink and matte. And this is obviously a sample size. And it's not open, but I'm going to go ahead and open it just to see how it looks. That's the mask. Oh, shit. No, I just wasted it. Fuck. Oh, I pushed too hard. Just going to clean it off my finger. I say I'm excited to try everything on here, but I really am. It's new products, and I love trying out new products, so yeah. And then the last thing is a... Damn, I still have mud on my hands. I still have mud. The last thing is a translucent powder. Oh, I see. I'll tell you, this is their extraordinary translucent powder, and that's what it says. And this is obviously a really, really small sample, but it's so cute. I like the packaging. You can keep the like little jar for something else when you finish the sample. That is cute. Okay, and I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to make a mess, but it is white, so it's gonna be translucent. It does look a little bit too white, so I have a feeling that it might have flashback, but I will let you guys know after I try it out. By the sample size, I think I'm only gonna be able to try it out once, which doesn't really give me a good like trial run to test it out. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna try to make it last for like at least 2 tries so I can give it like a fair shot, but I don't know, I'll see. Also, I'm gonna do first impressions to see how it looks on my skin after I apply it, and I'll let you guys know. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys, love you. And if you have any suggestions or videos you guys want to see on my channel, please let me know. Bye guys.